Yeah, there's your black owl, birdie. I still gotta sand him down. He black. Yeah, let's do it like that. There we go. See my hands, all the black stuff. I gotta sand him down. He was looking like that. This is Miss George's gnome for her garden. He got rot in him too. They come out of the same log. There was one piece of wood and I cut it in half. Made an owl out of one and a gnome out of the other, but they still had the same rotten spot in the middle of the tree. See there. And then I broke one of his feet off. I got it gluing right now. The reason it ain't standing up. I was sanding him and broke his dang boot off. I like these little boots though. Anyway, I got Miss George's name tattooed on his arm, initials. And anyway, there's his little booty and belt, and I like his little boots. The way I did his top of his boots. Anyway, my first gnome and my first owl. Well, I did a flat owl one time, and it got broke.